Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 11 for SSC Board. Chapter number 7 Mensuration. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from problem set 7, page number 160. Question number 1. Choose the correct alternative answers for each of the following questions. Okay. Question number 1. The ratio of the circumference and area of circle is 2:7. Find its circumference, and these are alternatives given. Okay, now try to understand. C upon A is equal to 2/7 given. So C is circumference is equal to 2 pi r, area is equal to pi r square, it is equal to 2 upon r. So this you simplify, you will get 2 upon r. Pi get cancelled, one of the r cancelled, and that is equal to 2 upon r. So 2 upon 7 is equal to 2 upon r, and therefore r is equal to 7, and hence circumference is equal to 2 pi r into, so is equal to 2 pi r into 7, so 14 pi units. So alternative is what? A. Okay. If measure of an arc of a circle is 160 degree and its length is 44 cm, find the circumference of the circle. Alternatives are, so L is equal to 44 cm given, theta is equal to 160 degree, and therefore L is equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is circumference, and therefore 2 pi r is equal to 44 into 260 upon 160. If you simplify this, you will get 99 cm. So therefore circumference is equal to 99 cm. Okay. Question number 3. Find the perimeter of sector of a circle if its measure is 90 degree and radius is 7 centimeter. Now in this case, this is a sector, radius is equal to 7 and this angle theta is equal to 90, and therefore L is equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r is equal to 90 upon 360 into 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7. If you simplify this, you will get 11 centimeter. And now perimeter is equal to, so perimeter of this sector is equal to radius plus length of an arc. So perimeter is equal to 7 plus 7 plus 11, that is equal to 25 centimeter. So alternative B. Question number 4. Find the curved surface area of a cone of radius 7 centimeter and height is equal to 24 centimeter. Find the curved surface area of cone. Okay, H is given, R is given. So first you find L. So L is equal to under root h square plus r square gives you under root 576 plus 49 is equal to under root 625, and hence L is equal to 25 centimeter. So curved surface area is equal to pi r L, 22 upon 7 into 7 into 25, 7 get cancelled, 22 into 25 is equal to 550 cm square. Okay, alternative B. Question number 5. The curved surface area of cylinder is 440 cm square and its radius is equal to 5 centimeter. Find its height. So these are what alternatives given. Now curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into h, and therefore 440 is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 5 into h, and therefore h is equal to 440 upon 5 into 2 into pi gives you 44 upon pi cm. So alternative what? A. Question number 6. A cone was melted and cast into a cylinder of the same radius as that of the base of the cone. If the height of the cylinder is 5 cm, find the height of cone. Okay. Now since a cone was melted to cast a cylinder, and therefore volume of cone is equal to volume of cylinder. So volume of cone is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r1 square. H1 is equal to pi r1 square into h2. Radius are equal, and therefore h1 upon 3 is equal to 5, and therefore h1 is equal to 15 centimeter. Alternative A. Okay. Question number 7. Find the volume of cube of side 0.01 cm. So these are what alternative. Here you calculate properly. So volume of cube is equal to L cube is equal to 0.01 into 0.01 into 0.01. So if you multiply this, you will get 0.000001. So 5 zeros and 1 cm cube. So alternative is what? D. Find the side of cube of volume 1 meter cube. So these are alternatives. So volume of cube is equal to L cube is equal to 1 meter cube. So is equal to L. So therefore L is equal to 1 meter, that is 100 centimeter, and hence alternative is C. Okay. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.